Got a seized up cool horn here. Yeah, this fan was in an attic. Got the fan apart now. Not sure what happened there. It's locked up tight. Definitely some junk in there. Okay, put some oil in her. Still a little bit sticky, but it works. So is the oscillation. Yeah, that front bearing was super locked up. Now that's about 10 times better. These little windmere fans are perfect for these motor housings. Unfortunately, there's this white paint stuff that is stupid, but come out in one piece. Alright, let's try this again. That's clean. And here's the final product. Turned out pretty good. It's a little bit of rust in the guard. Oh yeah, speaking of guard, if these are giving you trouble and like not opening and whatnot, it's probably a little WD-40 in there. That'll make all these loosen up and stuff. There is a little bit of that stupid white paint that comes with these sometimes on the blades, but yeah, had a little accident with the oscillator, so yeah. Switchblade is perfect because I took the plastic off of it. Anyways, here's high. Has a little bit of a startup sound. Not as loud as some of these 16 inchers have. Fan is a little bit off balance, but it works. Medium. And low. Back to high. And off. Excuse the noise upstairs. But yeah, thanks for watching.